Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. I received a question from Jason Cook asking how to sell more than one of the same item on eBay. So here's a quick demonstration. Anyone new to this channel, my name is Neil Waterhouse and I've been selling on eBay for 23 years. I'm the author of $1 Million eBay Business from Home. So let's launch straight into it. To sell more than one of the same item on eBay, first go to My eBay and then select Selling Sold. Then select Listings and Active. Then next to the item that you want to sell more than one item, click the Edit button. Then scroll down until you see the word Quantity. Here you can enter the quantity you have available so you can sell more than one on eBay. For this demonstration, I've entered 3. Once you have changed the quantity available, make sure that you scroll to the bottom and click the blue Update Listing button. And that's it. If you also need help finding best-selling items to sell on eBay that you can sell more than once, make sure you check out this video up here. I'll also put a link on the screen and below. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. If you found any value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you hit the subscribe button to the no fluff, ad-free channel that teaches step by step how anyone can make a full-time living from their home without leaving their home and using less than $100. Until next week, stay safe, list more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.